Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix slow charging in iPhone after update iOS 17 beta. First of guys, do not wasting any time. You subscribe my YouTube channel and share and like and do not waste any time. So first solution is you can fix this issue. You restart your iPhone volume up button and volume down button and power button do not release anytime. You can appears on screen the Apple logo and your mobile will be restarted and your problem will be fixed. And uh, if first solution is not working on your iPhone, second solution, reset your iPhone. So reset your iPhone, click on setting and then click on general and then click on transfer a reset option and then click on reset and click on reset our setting and give a passcode iPhone and then your reset our setting. Do not lose use your any data, only reset setting and your problem will be fixed. And the number second solution is not working on your iPhone, then third solution, you change your battery of iPhone and your problem will be fixed. And the fourth solution, uh, change your iPhone data cable and then adapter and you clean a port charge and your problem will be fixed. uh, Hopefully guys, uh, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.